Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, chiles rellenos in a vegetable soup that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start here first by roasting my poblano peppers. Yes, you need to roast your poblano peppers so that they get so roasted and really wake up the flavor of the poblano chili. Well, here I am going to roast them, and of course, when they're nice and roasted from both sides, I'm going to add them into this little bag. And now I want to continue. I want to continue with the cheese. I have mozzarella cheese that I'm going to cut in little strips, nice and thick, because I like to be generous with my cheese. I am going to start preparing the cheese, so when the chilies are ready, I am ready to be generous with the cheese and add enough cheese inside my chile poblanos. I'm using mozzarella cheese and queso fresco Los Altos. Look at this, making those little squares. I'm going to reserve. And now my chile poblanos have been in this sauna. The reason that I put them in this little bag after I roast them is so that the skin really comes out nice and easy. You want to make sure that the skin really peels off easily from the poblano peppers. Look at this, how easy this is. Once you have already taken out all the skin of the poblano peppers, we're going to go ahead and remove the seeds. This is very important. You want to make sure that you remove all the seeds from the poblano peppers before you fill them with the amazing cheese. Look at this. I'm going to start adding the queso fresco Los Altos and then the mozzarella cheese. Look how perfect this looks. This looks amazing. If you like chile poblanos and love chile poblanos like I do, you're going to love this soup. This soup is very easy to prepare. Of course, being generous with the cheese, and you're going to love, especially in this cold weather. You really enjoy this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. Look at this. They're all full of cheese, exactly like I love them. And now that they're nice and filled, okay, I am ready to prepare the vegetables. I am going to start cutting the edges of the potato and then peeling, taking the skin off of every single potato. Yes, this takes time, but let me tell you, this soup is so filling, so delicious. And of course, I'm going to enjoy it with white rice. Here that the potatoes are ready, I'm just going to cut in the middle and then 4 squares. Look at this. Exactly like I wanted. I added some water on my pot so that the potato doesn't start browning. I'm adding the onion, the tomato, and this is ready. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with the zucchini. I want to make sure that I cut the zucchini, the edges, and then just slice it just like that in little circles. It all depends how you want your zucchini. If you want it smaller, go ahead, cut it smaller. And here I have the cabbage. I want the cabbage and the zucchini to be al dente. So I'm going to add this 2 veggies towards the end. Look at this. I'm going to reserve, and I have the veggies ready. Now I want to continue making, of course, the egg mixture. I'm going to remove the egg yolks, and I'm only adding the whites at this moment. We're going to fluff it up because we are going to add our chile poblanos into this mixture. I am going to mix. It's going to take about 5 minutes until you see that it's really fluffy, really white. And then I'm going to start adding the egg yolks. Once this is done, look how fluffy this is. exactly how you want it, so you could cover your chile poblanos. I have vegetable oil here. I'm going to start adding the chile poblanos just like that easy. Once you add them into your pot, make sure that the oil is nice and hot, and then make sure that you add a little bit of the hot oil right on top so the chiles get nice and covered and the egg really sticks into the chile poblano. This is the part that really takes longer, getting your chile poblanos ready for that caldo. I am going to continue making the rest, but I want to show you how easy it is when you make these chile poblanos caldo at home. You decide what veggies you want to add into this amazing soup. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing, because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And once you have them nice and golden brown, then you're ready to remove. I have a pot here already on the stove, getting nice and warm. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon. Or you could use chicken bouillon. You decide, or just salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm going to cook the potato and the onion, tomato for about 10 to 15 minutes. You know that the potato takes longer to cook. After the 15 minutes, I'm adding my veggies. And these veggies cook really fast. So as soon as I add the veggies, I'm going to incorporate it really good. Once I incorporate it, I am ready to add the chile poblanos right on top of this mixture. Then just cook it for 5 minutes. Don't cook it more than 5 minutes, because you want the cabbage to still be al dente and the zucchini to still be al dente. I really love it like that. I'm just gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is done. Look how easy it is to prepare a really delicious and healthy caldo de chiles rellenos. Look at this. I am going to cover the chiles because they're getting nice and fluffy. The cheese is already getting melted in that really warm and hot mixture soup. And now this is done. I am ready to plate it. I can't wait to enjoy. And look how exactly I am going to enjoy this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. I'm adding the veggies and of course a little bit of white rice. And then I am ready to enjoy. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe, especially for this cold weather. You're going to really enjoy it. I can't wait to enjoy it, so I'll see you in just a little bit. But first, I want to show you how it looks from the inside. Like I always say, I love cheese and I'm always so generous with the cheese. Look at this. Your mouth is watering. Make this amazing recipe at home. With that pinch of love, it's going to come out amazing. I'm ready to taste it, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this amazing chile relleno caldo, and the veggies are still al dente, exactly like I love them. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. Excuse me. So cheesy. And like I always say, be generous with your cheese. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing chile relleno en caldo. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing chile relleno in vegetable soup. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.